Mount your camera on a tripod using portrait. You can walk in and then you can do any style. You can decide to nod your head, you can decide to snap your finger, you can decide to do anything. Then you just walk in, save the video to your gallery, then head over to Capcut. Now click on the plus icon, bring the video to Capcut, import the video you just recorded to Capcut. So we need an empty background for the effects to be perfect. So at this point I have to just, before I walked in, I click on split so I can have the empty background. So I click on split here. So then look for overlay, click on overlay. Now it will bring the main video down here. So you'll be looking for freeze, the freeze option. So let's look for freeze. I don't know why it's hiding. Okay, look at freeze here. Remember, you are freezing the first layer. Understand, you are freezing the first layer. So now tap on the second layer, then bring it to the beginning of the video, like what you are seeing on your screen. So if you get it correctly, this is how it's going to appear on your own screen. So where I lifted my leg is where I want the disappearing effect to come in. So that is where I'm going to tap on the second layer and then click on split, then delete it. Let it be like this. So let's play and see how it goes. So you can see. So that is the second effect. How to do it. If you just do it this way, honestly, you are good to go. Now that we are able to disappear, we need the sound effect. So you click on audio. Look at audio here. And the next thing for you to click on is effect, not sound. You click on effect. So when you click on effect, you see different sound effects here. So I will show you the one I use. Let me just keep scrolling. I used this whoosh wind. So I use whoosh wind. That's why you will hear the sound. Alright guys, so from here you can just download the video. Now you are able to create, you are able to disappear, and you are able to add the disappearing sound. Understand? So guys, please, I want you to do me a favor. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share this video. Just comment anything. Just comment. If you have any issue, let me know in the comment section. Like I used to say, I promise to assist you 100%, 100%. So that is just it. So let's grow. Okay guys, let's go for the first disappearing effect. Are you ready? Are you ready, guys? Are you ready? Alright, now let's go. So now mount your camera on a tripod using portrait mode like you did on the first one. Down that same video, I'm using that same video to show you everything. And when you are done with that one, you save the video, then head over to Capcut. Now click on the plus icon and then import the video you just recorded to Capcut. Now this particular effect is different from the first one. So what you do is for you to click on split and delete the beginning of it. We don't need that empty background like we needed in the first one, in the first tutorial. So you just click and delete that empty background. Understand? You understand what I mean. So when after deleting the empty background, you tap on that layer, click on freeze. You click on freeze where the person is lifting his leg, or if you want to use nod your head, you can. When you are nodding your head, you click on freeze. Now at this point where my leg is up, you see I click on freeze. So now look for style, click on style. So as you can see, there are so many styles here. So I want you to select this one here, then allow it to generate to 100, like what you are seeing right now. So after selecting, you click on this OK icon, and then let's go. Let's see how it's gonna be. Let's see. So something like that. So but it's not that accurate the way I wanted it to be, so I will still have to do some adjustment. I have like what you are seeing. I need to adjust it so that immediately the person is lifting up his leg, that's where the effect will be activated. So like what you're seeing. So you can just play around with this, please. Guys, don't hesitate to let me know when you are being stuck. Anyway you are confused, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll be able to assist you 100%, or you can watch the video over again. so you will understand it better. So now we've gotten the effect. What we'll do next is to get the sound. So you click on audio, come to effect, click on this effect. It will bring you down to this sound effect. So let's just scroll down. Let's scroll down to that particular effect I'm looking for. Okay guys, I've seen it. It's this power charge effect. So you select that one, and that's gonna give you this sound. Wow, we got it. We got it. So guys, that is just it. That's all you need to know about the two disappearing effect. So I believe this particular video is helpful. Guys, you've not subscribed, you have not subscribed, now let us just make me grow. I want to grow, bro. See you in our next video.